Hey, welcome to Happiness Bar. My goal is to share cocktails, content, and happiness. And today, we have a beautiful beachside cocktail that we're gonna be working on. Something that when you're by the pool, when you're by the beach, when you're down in the islands, when you're somewhere special in warm climates, you wanna be drinking. This cocktail is made with cachaça. It's made with lime, it's made with sugar. It's super simple, there's 3 ingredients. There's really not any prep except to cut up a lime. This cocktail, called the Caipirinha. I don't know if that's how you say it, man. That's just how I like to say it. It sounds fun to say. Caipirinha, Caipirinha, Caipirinha. It's so musical. It's a fun word. All right, so the Caipirinha came out of Brazil. That's why we're using cachaça, man. That Brazilian rum type liquor. Baby, still made from sugarcane. All right, so like I said, there's really not any prep work to do. I don't know where the fuck my knife went. All we gotta do is cut up a lime, so let's just go ahead and cut it up. I'm gonna just take the ends off because I don't want those. I'm gonna halve it, and then I'm gonna make quarters, right? And we're gonna use this whole lime. We're gonna muddle it into the cocktail. Let me go ahead too, guys. See that little white edge there? That's the pith. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that, just because that's gonna add a bitter element that we really kinda don't want. It's an unpleasant bitter, not really like a pleasant bitter. Grab my limes and set these lime slices aside here. Get rid of my cutting board. All right, so that was really all we had to do. Let's jump into making the Caipirinha. This is a built cocktail, so first thing we're gonna need is our glassware, and we're gonna need a jigger. We're also gonna need a teaspoon. So, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and take all of our lime wedges, and we're just gonna fill the glass with them. Whole lime. Grab our teaspoon, and we are going to do 2 teaspoons of sugar. I got this beautiful natural sugar cane here. Just pour it right over the limes. Boom, 2 teaspoons of sugar. And we're gonna grab our muddler, and we're gonna muddle this cocktail. Gonna muddle this sugar into the limes, really get the limes nice and juiced and muddled up. Yeah. Next, we're gonna add in 2 ounces of our cachaça. Now, I'm using an Amburana cachaça, so it has more age on it, but you can use a prata. Now for me, crushed ice is the way to go in this cocktail, so I went ahead and crushed up a bunch of ice, and we're just gonna fill this glass all the way up with ice, just like so. And we're gonna grab our bar spoon and just give this a nice mix here, a nice stir. Get these limes and the cachaça, everything mixed up. And lastly, let's go ahead and garnish her with a nice lime wheel here. I'm just gonna clip her just to make it look pretty. You could put it in a drink if you want. And there you have it, guys, the Caipirinha. All right, let's taste. So much lime, just straight citrus. Beautiful light note of that cachaça. Man, sometimes cocktails are just perfect for the moment. So simple, just lime and sugar and cachaça, man. You love it, you love it, you love it. I love it, you're gonna love it. It tastes delicious. It might be the most refreshing thing I've ever had. There's just so much citrus, it's so bright, it's so nice, it's so simple. This is what you wanna be drinking, man, all year around. Springtime, summertime, I don't care what time it is, you wanna be drinking it. I honestly, I love cachaça, man. It's made similar to rum, but it's different than rum. The flavor profile is just, I don't know, you get more like warmer spice notes on it or something. It's so nice. You can't beat it, man. I think I love this so much because the daiquiri is one of my favorite cocktails. And that's another one that's just literally rum, sugar, and lime. It's just executed a little differently. And it's shaken, whereas this is built. But this is perfect, man, in all its simplicity. It truly is gorgeous. I don't want to put it down, but I'm gonna. There it is, guys, the Caipirinha. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Maybe you made it along with me. Maybe you wrote it down safe for a later date, but either way, let me know how you're liking everything. And as always, guys, become a regular somewhere. Become a regular at your local watering hole. It's the best way to support local business. Become a regular here at Happiness Bar by liking, commenting, or subscribing. Hit that bell if you want notifications. We got cocktail videos coming out every Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern. Get you ready for the weekend. Stay happy, everyone.